channel. Okay, it's Saturday, and on weekends we only trade Bitcoin. So it's Saturday, and on Saturdays we only trade Bitcoin. And looking at what Bitcoin is doing, I think it's great. So this is what we have on Bitcoin today. Here's a daily time frame. You realize that Bitcoin has been ranging within a zone. Let me mark out the zone. Bitcoin has been ranging within the zone, and yesterday we had a breakout. And this breakout occurred when we were here online on this live stream. And so that's how we got our entry on this trade, on this Bitcoin trade. And the question is, what are we expecting? Well, this is 4 hours, and price is still looking very, very great on 4 hours. Welcome to everyone who is joining us, most especially those who are watching for the very first time. I go by the name FelloF. It's weekend. We normally do our live streams Mondays to Fridays, but I decided that we should check a little about Bitcoin since we're in the bull market and there is volatility, okay? And this is a trade we took on Bitcoin yesterday on live stream. Like, this trade was taken live in front of a live audience, and it's doing exactly what we thought it would do, or what we saw it preparing. So we are currently in massive profits, over 1:3 or 1:2.5. So those who were here with us yesterday, this is we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. All right, we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at it from the 4 hours, you see it's still below this consolidation zone, but it's giving us some bullish momentum. It looks very bullish, though we are having some 2 red candles. Well, we might have a good pullback, even though it's risky. That's why it's very advisable. I told my audience yesterday that when price gets to somewhere around here, they should start taking partial profits, because price might decide to give us a retest and continue dropping, okay, which is very, very possible, though it is at the third touch of our trend line. It is the third touch of our trend line, which is supposed to hold, but it's not certain, okay, because if you notice, we've been ranging around a zone. We can just consider this a zone. All right, so we break out of the zone yesterday, slid below the zone, or stayed below the zone, and now this might be a retest for it to continue dropping. So you need to be very smart and be able to take some profits as price is moving. Okay. So I actually welcome all those watching me for the first time. If you are new, do not forget, I actually love you so much, and I'm happy to have you here. All right. And do not also forget to subscribe to the channel so that you receive notifications for every new video I post, and every live stream that pops up, you receive a notification. Okay, so that's what I see on Bitcoin. And looking at the bigger picture, you realize that we have this little triangle, which we've been trading in, and we are looking forward to see if we can break out at the top, all right, of the triangle. If we can break out of the higher part of this triangle, then we believe these highs will be taken out, the previous highs. Okay, if we can break out of the triangle, then the previous highs will be taken out, probably, or we'll be targeting our previous highs. But if we cannot break out of it, then, like if we get to this zone and continue facing serious resistance, we should be smart enough to take some profits. Okay, we should be smart enough to take some profits. Tomorrow we'll be having top-down analysis on all our forex pairs. So do not forget to connect. All right. So that's why I keep insisting that everyone should subscribe, because I noticed there are times when we have over 300, 400, 500 people watching, but they are not subscribed to the channel. And there is vital info that I drop back to back that you might miss. All right. I might give you a video, but during live streams like this, you have the ability to ask questions and get clarity on certain things. All right. And that's what you receive notifications and you'll be able to watch. So we are currently on the 4 hours time frame right now. This is what we have on the 4 hours on Bitcoin. All right. So let's see how this trade plays out. It makes sense for us to have Ethereum. Okay. Ethereum has been added. So let's also check what we see on Ethereum. First, we go to the daily. Wow. Our viewers are increasing. Welcome. I welcome you all, especially those who are watching me for the first time. You are highly welcome, guys. I love you so much, and I'm happy to have you. So this is what we have on the daily on Ethereum. So what I'll do is I'll mark out what price looks like, and let's see if there's anything big cooking. All right, so on the daily, we are also in this wedge. Okay, it's not actually a triangle on the daily, and it's attempting to break out. It's attempting to break out, which will be very great if Ethereum can take out this this wedge, all right? If Ethereum can take it out, then it'll be great. Now, let's go to the 4 hours to see exactly what we have and how price is behaving, okay? How price is behaving. Because we've been in the bull market for a while, and you know, during the bull market, we are not expecting good pullbacks to get perfect entries. So that's the challenging thing about bull markets. So if you're in a bull market, you just need to be very, very smart while trading. Okay, you should be very, very smart while trading. So looking at what we have here on the lower time frame, let's try to mark out price action. So on the 4 hours, we've had a breakout of this little triangle, all right? On the 4 hours, we've had a breakout of this little triangle. And where is our next target? We are expecting that since we have broken out of this triangle and price has actually slept or closed above, we are targeting this other zone. Let me try to change the color. Want it white. Yeah, we're targeting those highs on Ethereum, all right? And the question is, if we are to buy, where is our stop loss? Okay, we go in knowing that it's a risky trade and we might get stopped out if we are wrong. Itachi, yeah, Itachi Uchiha, nice to have you here. Where are you streaming from? Just tell me. Everyone should just tell me in the comment section where you're watching me from. Tell me where you're watching me from. So on Ethereum, wow, Jivan N, nice to have you. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? So this is what we are expecting on Ethereum. This is what we're expecting on Ethereum. So we are hoping, wow, all right, Itachi, nice to have you. Nice to have you. Tomorrow, that's Sunday, we'll be having a live stream to do top-down analysis on all. Okay, Jivan, nice to have you too from India. Nice to have you from India. It's like the Indian community is actually doing well. I love you guys. And I'll definitely visit you one day, okay? I'll definitely visit you one day. So you guys should stay consistent. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also share the video, show some love, guys, so that at least our channel can grow. So do not forget, if you have some challenges in regards to Forex trading, I can also help you, all right? I can also help you. So if you need me on WhatsApp, just tell me in the comment section so that I can drop my WhatsApp number for you guys to be able to take advantage and connect, all right? So like I was saying, we have a trade on Bitcoin, which is already running. We are already in massive profits on Bitcoin. Though it's trying to give us a little pullback again. Well, but as of now, we don't have any decision. Let's go to the 1 hour to see how it looks like. Hello everyone, nice to have you. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching my video or for joining my live stream. I'm so happy to have you all here. And we are analyzing Bitcoin and Ethereum. If there is any pair you want me to analyze, just let me know, tell me, so that I can analyze it with you. And maybe you can have a trade. We have just taken a trade on Ethereum, though it's a little risky, but I think it's good to go because it has given us some confluences. Okay, so if there is any pair you want me to analyze, just let me know and I'll do the analysis for you. Are you trading in crypto or gold or currency price? Which one? I trade Forex, that's currency pairs, and I trade crypto. I trade gold as well, all right? Let me show you a couple of trades. Like yesterday, we've had this big trade on currency pair, that's GBP USD, all right? We had this trade on GBP USD, and yesterday we had a quick buy on gold. That buy did not play out well because it actually ended up hitting our SL. We bought somewhere around this trend line, which got broken. I also bought, it was on this live stream, on a live stream like this, that I had to take the trade, but it did not play out, so it stopped us out. And now we are looking forward to maybe selling gold next week, depending on what we see on price action. All right. Yeah. So then on GBP AUD, there is a big trade. I'm waiting for a big trade, which as of now, I have nothing to say. Okay. I will figure out what it presents to us, as we'll be doing our analysis tomorrow. We'll see what price will tell us during our analysis if we should be expecting a buy, a sell. And this is a buy I gave on Bitcoin. That was last week. I took some profits along the line. This is the live stream we also had. We took this trade, which played out perfectly well, this small trade. Then this big swing trade, I gave it the next day, or it was a couple of days later. It also played out. We took partial profits up here. Price came down to our entry, went back. We had other entries here. We went back up. We took partials, but I did not close the final trade and I did not move my stops to break even. So price came back down yesterday and stopped out the position. Then we got in on another position. That's why I opened a new chart on Bitcoin. All right, we got in, and now we are also in profits. But it's not yet a point. It's not yet where I want to take partial profits, but it's showing some reversal signs. But I'm not scared. I'll hold, and if it stops me out, it's cool. I risk what I can afford to lose. So tell me, guys, what do you trade? Just tell me what you trade in the comment section. Forex, crypto, gold, what do you trade? Futures, indices, what do you trade? Just let me know in the comment section. Tell me what you trade. And I have some psychology tips to give you and some risk management tips to give you as well. Wow, gold, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So what I have used on gold, are you also buying, on Ethereum and Bitcoin, are you also buying or you are selling? Let me know. That's Jivan N. Chowdhury. All right, you trade in crypto, gold. Oh, you deleted? You follow trend lines. Okay. So looking at what I have right now. Oh, okay, you're new in trading. All right, no problem. In case you want to, you trade in crypto and stocks, that's Itachi. All right, gold, forex, currency pairs, and stocks. Okay, well, I'm into forex, that's currency pairs, gold. I trade indices like NASDAQ as well. So I trade all those ones on forex, but for NASDAQ, I trade NASDAQ on futures. I love futures more. All right, I love futures. Then I also trade Bitcoin. In crypto, I trade only Bitcoin. Then I also guide my audience on the kind of crypto to hold because they are good 10x potential altcoins or meme coins that can also make you a fortune. All right. So for those who want to contact me on WhatsApp, let me just drop my number on the screen so that you can get to me directly. I can can manage your account. I can recommend fellow traders who are good, who can manage your account as well. Just that we have some criteria. We don't manage any kind of account. So we have a set of rules that your account has to meet before we can manage it. Okay. So for those who want to connect with me, you can get me through 237 plus 237 651 899 562. I'm on WhatsApp, all right? And maybe you also need mentorship because mentorship actually shortens your trading curve, okay? Forget about the fact that people are selling courses whatsoever and you feel like they are not profitable, they make money through the course. The question is, if everyone who is trading today or who started trading in the past hid the knowledge and kept it only to themselves, would we be traders today? No. I tried learning Forex on my own, on YouTube and whatsoever. I realized how difficult. Make sure you practice and backtest how it works, and then from that point you can now get into the live market and be able to make money. Because if you don't get a good training on trading, then you'll be forced to pay the price with your funds. Okay, you spend your money, you lose your money in the market because you did not pay the right price. All right, how much your experience in trading? Well, I've been trading since 2021, but I became profitable in 2022 ending. Yes, the end of 2000 no, sorry, 2023 ending. Yes, so that's it. All right, so since then I've been consistently profitable. Back then I was making money and losing money, making money and losing money, but since then I've been doing great. Okay, so that's it. So you can get me on WhatsApp. I'm also very available. I'm very available for you guys. I can help you in one way or the other. All right, I can help you in one way or the other. I also have a free community, so the links to my free community are in the description section. Feel free to also click on the link to get to my Telegram channel where everything share is free. Like I share free, I literally share free signals every blessed day. All right. Then there is something I call the inner cycle where I trade with other traders. Then I'm not the only one who shares signals. You have at least 4 to 5 signals per day from powerful mentors across the globe, because the mentors are from different parts, the traders are from different parts of the world, but I've connected with them for a couple of years now, and I know how experienced they are. So for you to be part of that inner cycle is very simple. I have some brokers in the description section. All you need to do is click on the brokerage link, create your account, and then send me a screenshot with a minimum of $150 of deposit. I just add you to the inner cycle. We share ideas, we share signals. There are times when we even go live and guide you on how to trade. That's just how easy it is. All right. Now, for those who are new into trading, well, I started trading back in the days, and I felt like it's easy to become rich in the market. Yes, it's easy, but you need to be very smart as well. All right. So I was over leveraging. I knew nothing about risk management. All right. I knew nothing about risk management. So I had to blow a couple of accounts. There's even an investor who came to me, gave me her account, and because of lack of risk management, when I just started trading, guys, because when you start trading, you are so proud, you make people feel like, oh, you are getting rich in a couple of days, that feeling, right? Yeah. So that, let me try to see if my lights are good. The lighting is not good, so no need to flip the camera. Let's just watch the screen and see how our trade plays out. Let's watch Ethereum, because that's the trade we just took now. Let's watch Ethereum. So this is what Ethereum is doing. We have a trade, a buy on Ethereum right now. So it's running. Yeah, so back then, I started trading with so much risk no risk management, no uh, uh, perfect psychology, and no money management skills. Guys, that's how I took about 5 trades on that account. It was $1,000. I took about 5 trades on that account, and I saw the account dying down back to back, back to back. I even have a video on my losses, all right? I have a video on my losses, but I'm not posting it anytime soon. I have a series I'm working on to also post on the channel. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because you will also be able to see my personal lifestyle, my history, and the stories that make me that made me a profitable trader, right? So what I'm trying to say is, do not play with risk management. That's one of the core concepts of trading, risk management. You might lose a couple of trades, all right? You might lose a couple of trades. You might not be able to have a 50% win rate. But if you have a good risk management strategy, you will still be profitable. All right? You will still be profitable, because as from 35% win ratio, guys, you are good to go. Not to talk of 50%, not to talk of 60%, 70%, 80% win rate, you are good to go. You will make consistent profit. But even if you have a 70, 80, 90% win rate, but you don't have risk management, you will still remain unprofitable. Okay? Because you make wins. Let's say you make 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, you earn 6 out of that 7, but your one bad trade will take back all the profits you made and keep you in drawdown, or even blow your account. That's the mistake so many people make in trading, which I will advise you to take out time to study risk management, because that is one of the keys that will lead you out of unprofitability when it comes to trading. So guys, if you're watching me for the very first time, you are welcome to the channel. I go by the name FelloF. I am a forex trader. I'm a day trader, all right? And I'm also an entrepreneur. I run a couple of businesses, and guys, it's my pleasure to always teach people. So that's why I have a YouTube channel but I also learned a lot on YouTube to add up to what I paid for, all right? Which makes me feel like, all right, how am I going to give back to the community? Well, I learned from YouTube. I learned a lot from YouTube, so I should also drop a lot on YouTube. So I have videos on my trades. I have videos here on YouTube on how to trade, stuff like that. Even my strategy, I have videos explaining that. And I'm still working on it. I'm looking forward to get a new camera, a good camera, because I've been doing all my videos just with my phone. And now I think I should take the channel serious. So I'm looking forward to get a camera so that I can give you guys quality content, and also get a good videographer who can guide me on video editing, stuff like that. So that's what's popping, guys. Hi friend, nice to have you. AACA. Well, nice to have you. It's a pleasure to have you guys here. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because I'm dropping content like this back to back. All right? So we are currently trading Ethereum. We are live on Ethereum. We have a trade right now running on Ethereum. So we are watching. I don't know if you are with me on this trade, but if you are with me, after this, that's my WhatsApp number is on the screen. Let me just share the screen where you can have my WhatsApp number. After the trade, do not forget to share your results with me on WhatsApp. All right? Don't forget to share results with me on WhatsApp. Let me know how the trade turned out for you. All right? So that's it, guys. Tell me where you are streaming from. AACA. Tell me where you're streaming from. Hi, friend. Tell me where you're streaming from. And all the others, just type your country name in the comment section. All right? Just type your country name in the comment section. And tell me, which pairs are you trading? Are you a forex trader? Are you a crypto trader? Are you a stock trader? What do you trade? And what do you want me to analyze for you? Show some love, guys. Like the video, comments. Tell me where you're streaming from. Tell me where you're streaming from. All right. Let's make it interactive. I'm here for you. I'm here for you, and you make it easy for me to guide you on what you need to know. If you have any worries, and maybe if you have your views too about the Bitcoin trade I have running, because I already bought Bitcoin yesterday and we are in it. I bought it live. It's not like I just fixed these things on the chat. I bought it during a live stream like this yesterday. Hi, Vams. Vams not ready. Nice to have you. Where are you streaming from? I bought this Bitcoin live here, all right? Because there are a whole lot of people who watch our live video, who watch our videos on YouTube and feel like, all right, we just do fictional videos, we cannot trade live, and we fake things. Well, that's why I decided to be doing live streams so that I can prove you guys wrong. I can prove to you that there are profitable traders in the industry. There are people who make money in the industry. I even have a trade on GBP USD. It's about to it almost hit TP. I even told most of my guys to close the trade because we're already up 1:4. All right. So I took this trade live in front of you guys. I took a trade on Nasdaq live in front of you guys. I take most of my trades live. All right. I don't just come back and tell you I did this. No, I do it with you guys. That's why I say subscribe to the channel. And if you don't yet have accounts, create your accounts, create your trading accounts. All right. The links are in the description. You can click on any of the links. PO Prime, the link is there. The referral code is there. Click, create it, deposit, send a screenshot to me, and add you to my inner cycle. All right. Add you to the inner cycle. And I share all my trades with you guys. We have other traders in the inner cycle who also share signals, which means me, I take at times 3-4 trades a week, but you have at about 4 to 5 trades per day in the inner cycle. So that's the advantage you have trading with me in the inner cycle. All right. So we share live videos, we share live trades to motivate you guys, to also let you know that you can make it. You can make it in the trading industry. It's not just a myth. Trading is real. You can make money from trading. You can make a living from trading. Personally, I'm not in my country. I traveled out of country. I'm currently in another country studying with other traders. I'm making money living off trading. All right. I'm living off trading. Just that there is no limit to learning when it comes to trading. So here are some uh, articles related to Bitcoin, because as a trader, you should also know that there is news on there are articles related to the trade, to the pairs you trade on TradingView. All right, so you can always um, check them out. You see, like here you see this lightning sign. You can click on it. You will see the articles related to the pair you trade. All right, you see articles related to the pair you trade. So that's how it is, guys. So tell me where you are streaming from. Tell me where you're watching me from. And if you need any maybe personal encounter with me, one-on-one conversation, maybe on WhatsApp, here's my WhatsApp number. All right, it's free for now. All right, it's free for now. But in future, when I'll be stronger and have a bigger community, and maybe have a lot, we'll be having live, like one-on-one meetings with those who really want to meet with me. All right, but as of now, I'm still grinding. I have a lot of work to do, and I cannot be going out for the moment. So you can only get me on WhatsApp or join my Telegram channel where I drop signals, stuff like that. Okay, so feel free to ask your questions. Vamsi ready, Vamsi not ready. Hi, thanks for watching. All right, tell me where you're streaming from. Just everyone should tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Where are you streaming from? And ask me your questions related to trading. All right, like right now we have a trade on Bitcoin, and we also have a trade on Ethereum. That this Ethereum trade, we just took it live now on the charts. Okay, hi, my YouTube channel. Nice to have you. Nice to have you. When do I go live? I usually go live Mondays to Fridays. I don't have a fixed time because I am very mobile. Yes, but that's why I keep saying you should subscribe to the channel, because when you subscribe to the channel, whenever I'm live, you receive notifications. And if you are in my Telegram channel, that's why I've also dropped the link in the description. If you're in my Telegram channel, whenever I go live, I share the link in the Telegram channel so you get notification. It's two. All right. Today is Saturday. I'll go live today. Tomorrow again, I'll go live because I want us to. Today we are trading crypto. Tomorrow we'll also trade crypto, and we will do top-down analysis on forex pairs. All right, we'll do top-down analysis on forex pairs. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, show some love, guys. Show some love, guys. That's how you can pay me back. All right, and for those who want me on WhatsApp, let me write my number also here so that you can, you can reach out. All right, I can manage accounts, but I don't really like account management. So I can also recommend someone who can manage accounts for you if I'm not willing to manage the amount of funds you are giving, because I don't manage any kind of account size. I manage big accounts. So if your account is too small, I don't manage it. 651-899-562. So here's my WhatsApp number. You can reach out. All right, you can reach out. Plus 237-651-899-562. So that's the number via which you can reach me. I'm waiting for your messages in case you need anything from me, any trading related stuff. All right. And do not forget, share the live, guys. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Let's connect. Let's connect. Tell me what you have on your mind related to trading. If you have any questions, all right. There are so many people who think technical analysis is enough for you to become profitable. But I just want to let you know that technical analysis alone will not make you profitable. All right? Technical analysis alone will not make you profitable. You need trading psychology, and you also need risk management. Those are some core concepts of trading that so many people ignore, but they are very, very important. How will you become profitable without managing your risk properly? It doesn't work. How will you even have the courage to take trades if your psychology is not intact? How will you overcome overtrading if you don't put your psychology intact? How will you overcome FOMO if your psychology is not intact? How will you overcome all the negative emotions that are weighing traders down if you don't work on your trading psychology? So technical analysis alone will not make you rich. Now, this question: can you be profitable just with technicals and not fundamentals? Yes. There are so many traders who don't care about fundamentals. They do pure price action. They do their analysis, work only on the technicals, and they still remain profitable because the technicals and fundamentals are almost the same. All right. If you can understand the writings behind every candlestick, then you can still be very, very profitable even without understanding what the fundamentals are saying. All right. So if you are a new trader, you know nothing about forex trading, or maybe you just got into forex trading, into trading as a whole, tell me in the comment section so that I should know how to address you and what to tell you, and what you should, and advise you on what you should be learning at this point. And tell me exactly where you are in trading, and I'll guide you guys. That's why I'm here for you. All right. I'm here to make it easy, to make trading easy for everyone, because personally, I prayed and wished to have these opportunities, but I did not. I paid for what I have. And there were times when I go through YouTube searching. All right, the entry price is actually, you can still enter now in case you want to enter. The most important thing is the stop loss and the take profit. The stop loss even. As for take profit, you manage your take profit by yourself. So let me write down the stop loss. All right, I'm writing down the stop loss. Stop loss is 3,635. 3,635.34. So that's the stop loss price. That's the most important price for you. So the rest depends on you, not me. Okay? Hi, Odoka. Nice to have you here. Where are you streaming from? My YouTube channel, please. Where are you streaming from? Just tell me where you're streaming from. You guys should tell me where you're streaming from. Nigeria. Wow. Nice to have you. I'm currently in Abuja. I visited Nigeria as well. I'm currently in Abuja. So my WhatsApp number is on the screen. In case you want to connect, you can connect with me. All right. Mali. Wow, you two are from Nigeria. Nice to have you here, guys. Nice to have you here. I just typed the stop loss price. That's the most important price that you need to know where to stop your loss. For the entry you can still enter now because the entry is just a few pips away from where it is right now. Because we entered at 3. Let me just write it for you guys. Let me just write it. Let not be too. We entered at 3. We are currently on Ethereum. We're currently on Ethereum. But it's weekend, so we trade Bitcoin. Personally, I trade only Bitcoin. So this Ethereum trade, I just took it because we have people here who are into it. So I had the signal and decided to drop. Okay? I had the signal and decided to drop. So that's exactly what's popping. But tomorrow we'll be doing top-down analysis on all forex, on the forex pairs I trade, and those you guys will bring up. All right, we'll be doing top-down analysis on them, and we'll still be trading crypto tomorrow. All right. So because these trades are swing trades, honestly, they are swing trades, and we might face a serious pullback on this Ethereum. So if you are getting in, you should be very smart enough to understand that when price gets to a certain level, you should take partial profit, and then you watch price play out. It's the same. We had a trade on gold. I do live streams like this. I take trades on live streams like this to also confirm to people that we still have profitable traders in the industry, because so many people feel like when we do videos and drop, we only drop our profitable trades, and the losing trade we hide them, which is true. So many traders do that. All right. But the reason why I do live streams is for you guys to see what happens when we are in trades, the emotions of a trader, and also how we get our entries. All right, to make you understand that the trading journey can be very, very possible for you. You can still make it in trading. All right, you can make it in trading. So in case you want to join my free community, the links are in the description. Just click on where you can have a description, and you click on the link to join my free Telegram. Then the brokers I use, you can as well use them if you want to join my inner cycle. So these are my WhatsApp numbers, or this is my WhatsApp number. Contact me on WhatsApp with a screenshot of you having an account with the broker I use, and I'll add you to my inner cycle where you have many profitable traders who will guide you on your journey. We'll drop signals, maybe 3, 4, 5 signals a day, because they are traders from different countries and they trade different pairs, which means if you have enough capital, you'll be able to take even 3, 4 trades per day from different traders, different points of views, from different pairs. You understand? Which makes your earning capacity to increase. All right. So that's how good our community is. Hi, universal stuff. Nice to have you, man. Where are you streaming from? Are you streaming from India or Pakistan? Because I have a whole lot of Palestinians here. I have a whole lot of Indians here. And now I also have Nigerians here. I have from the USA. Hi, Universal Stuff. What's up? Where are you streaming from? Where are you watching us from? Just write the name of your country below. So we do these live streams. We take trades almost every live stream. We have an entry. Yeah, because can you change the color of the candlesticks to red, green? No, I cannot change it. I don't want to change it. These are my candlesticks. The white candlesticks represent red, bearish movements, while the blue candlesticks represent bullish movements. All right. So these are my candlesticks, and that's how I trade. So if you have some questions related to trading, feel free to ask. And if you want me to analyze something, you just tell me. Let's look at it. All right. That's why I'm here. I'm here to shorten your learning curve. And don't forget to invite a couple of friends during our live streams. For those who are not yet subscribed to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you receive notifications for every live stream, every new video, because I have videos even on my trades on NASDAQ, because I love trading NASDAQ as well. And I usually stack on NASDAQ. So when I stack, I take videos and I share them here on YouTube. So you can as well watch those videos to see how we make profits live. All right, how we make profits. So that's it for today. It's morning. I've not taken breakfast and I don't want to take breakfast here. I just wanted to spend some time with my audience, with you guys, with my family, my lovely community. So I'll soon be ending the stream. So if you have some questions, feel free to ask now before we end the stream, guys. It's been close to an hour on the stream. So this is what we have on Bitcoin. This Bitcoin trade we took yesterday during our live stream, which is in massive profits right now. Now, today, we've taken a buy as well on Ethereum. Do not forget, all these things are always swing trades. They can slip, they can take a couple of days to play out. So when getting in, be sure that you are courageous and bold enough to hold. And I really do appreciate all those who are watching me for the first time, all right? You guys are welcome to the channel. Fasten your seatbelts, have your good seats, all right? Feel comfortable, because this channel is here for you. I am always here for you. So do not forget to subscribe so that you receive notifications for all my live streams, all my new content, everything I drop, all right? I'm coming up with a very powerful series where you'll be seeing other traders guiding you. You can see I had a meeting here in Abuja with Frank FX and Cyprian FX. Those are also mighty names in the industry, and we're looking. And I'll be tapped to check on some other big traders there as well. All right, before I go back to Cameroon and connect also with other big traders. So, guys, subscribe to the channel, because through that you learn a lot from other traders. You learn a lot of strategies. You learn a whole lot. All right. All right, guys. Since no one has any question, I think we have come to the end of our today's live stream. And see you guys tomorrow. have you entered on the trade or waiting for a breakout? If you notice, we had a breakout here. All right, we already had a breakout on the 4 hours. It's a 4 hours breakout. I'm replying to Oduka. Okay, we had a breakout on 4 hours, and the candlestick actually opened and closed above the zone. That's why we had this buy. All right, that's why we had the buy. So we are already in. We are not waiting. We are already in the trade. Have I answered your question? Yeah. So guys, for those watching us for the first time, I'm happy to have you. Don't forget to subscribe. And let's go, guys. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. I think I should go. If you don't have questions, but if you have questions, tell me to wait. If you don't have questions, I'm forced to go. Right, guys. Have a blessed weekend. I just did a $900 withdrawal on the account I used to for social media, or for my, yes, for social media. I just did a $900 withdrawal yesterday, which I will also share on my next video on YouTube, on my next YouTube video. I might be dropping it today. So if you want to join our live trading or stuff like this, you can also contact me on WhatsApp. All right, most of those things are free. You don't pay. So you can contact me on WhatsApp. That's my WhatsApp number. Let me just give 2 minutes for those who want to copy the number. +23765189956 +23765189956. That's my WhatsApp number. You can contact me. Everything I'm telling you is free. You don't pay for any shit. You don't pay for the signals. The signal is free. I give free signals. That's why you can see me coming live stream giving you signals for free. Okay, so I do the same thing with my channel, my Telegram channel. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. And if you're not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, how will you get notifications? You need notifications to know when I'm live.